Welcome back to a new episode. Today we take flight to what would seem another planet, to the region of Uyuni in the southern west of Bolivia. This trip took 3 days and 2 nights and hundreds of kilometers on the road. Well, not really a road, but you get what I mean. The region is full of mind-blowing scenery and landscapes. A major tourist attraction of the area is the antique train cemetery, located 3 kilometers outside of Uyuni and is connected to it by the old train tracks. A project back in the late 19th century that did not come to completion due to the disliking of the local indigenous people who saw it as an intrusion into their lives. There is some interesting rock formations due to the heavy winds and rain that occur in this region. The Sol de Mañana geysers are located in the breathtaking desert landscape of Bolivia. At an altitude of almost 5,000 meters, Sol de Mañana is the highest geyser field in the world, which covers about 10 square kilometers, and it's famous for its spectacular volcanic activity. This brings us to one of the most extreme and remarkable vistas in all of South America, if not Earth, to the world's largest salt flats at over 10,000 square kilometers in area, left behind by prehistoric lakes evaporated tens of thousands of years ago. This beautiful and otherworldly terrain serves as a lucrative extraction site for salt and lithium. In the middle of the salt flats, you can find the island of Incahuasi, covered by giant cactuses. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you at the next destination.